Hi friends, welcome to this video. The question is the structure of alkane or cycloalkane with molecular formula C8H18 has primary alcohol atoms. Primary H, sorry, alcohol, not alcohol. Primary H atoms is A, B, C, D option they have given. So here they have mentioned the structure is alkane or cycloalkane, right? So to determine whether it is only alkane or cycloalkane, there is a formula called as hydrogen deficiency index. That formula we can use to tell whether the compound has got double bond, triple bond, or benzene ring, or any cyclo ring. So for example, this is cycloalkane, right? So using this formula we can tell this one. But if we see options here, A, B, C, D, these they haven't used any cyclo here. It means it is forming only alkane, not the cycloalkane. So I am not going to use this hydrogen deficiency index. But this question is very easy. This can be like asked in NEET. But in JEE what they do, they increase the toughness of this question. There we have to first find this hydrogen deficiency index. Later on we can tell whether the happens or not, right? Because options will be very tough in JEE. And this question in NEET, it has given directly. Even they have mentioned alkane or cycloalkane in question, but in options you can see they have taken only alkane but not the cycloalkane. So I am not going to find this hydrogen deficiency index. If you know that hydrogen deficiency index, please comment it so that others can know the formula. If you are not getting, let me explain it in some other video, right? So talking about this question, see, so C8H18, by seeing option we got to know that it is alkane only, right? By seeing these four options. So what is this primary hydrogen, what is this thing, everything we will explain by writing. Let me write the structure of all four, later on you can tell. So structure of A, 2,2,2 trimethyl butane. Butane means how many? 4 carbon. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2, 2. Numbering, let me start here. 1, 2. So 2, 2, CH3 group here. 2, 2, and here 3, 3, 3. Right? Numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the 2, 2, 3, 3 trimethyl butane. Right? If you count the number of carbon here, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, C8. If you count the hydrogen, it will be having H18. But later we can do. First let me write all structures, so that if I explain it, you will get to know what is this primary H atom, right? Second one, pentane. First I have to write pentane. 5 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And numbering, if I start it from here, 1, the here 2, 2 trimethyl they have called, 2, 2 trimethyl, and third also methyl. So numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is B. Talking about C, let me write it here. So C is what? 2, 2, 4 trimethyl pentane. Here also same pentane. 5 carbon, 2 methyl, and 3, 3. Here also methyl. And option D. Talking about option D, 2, 3, 3 trimethyl pentane. 2 and 3, 3. Yes. So this is the structure. Here you should understand that Me, methyl means is nothing but CH3, right? But I haven't written it, just I have written methyl everywhere. Methyl, 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 right? So let us see what is this primary, secondary and all. Before telling that, let me change the color of the pen. Yes. See. So option D, if I talk, see, here this trimethyl, this carbon will be having 3 hydrogens, CH3 group, right? Methyl means, so this hydrogen attached to primary carbon we call it as primary hydrogen. But here is a hydrogen which is attached to carbon, which is attached to here one methyl, this side one methyl, and here one alkane group is there, right? So this is tertiary hydrogen. And here see, it doesn't have any hydrogen. Here this hydrogen is there, right? This hydrogen attached to carbon, which is attached to methyl group here, and here alkene group, right? So this hydrogen is secondary, but they have told only primary hydrogen should be there. So option D is not the correct option. Talking about option C, so I told this methyl hydrogens are primary, So these hydrogens are primary. This hydrogen is also primary, but this hydrogen is what? Secondary. But they have asked what? Only primary hydrogen. So this is also not the option. Right. If you take this hydrogen, it will be secondary hydrogen only. Why secondary hydrogen? Hydrogen attached to carbon, which attached to C. This one's full carbon and this one carbon. So two. So it is secondary hydrogen. Right. So so C is also not the option. Talking about BC, this is primary hydrogen, this is primary hydrogen, this is primary hydrogen, this is primary hydrogen, this is primary hydrogen. But this hydrogen, see, this hydrogen is tertiary hydrogen, whereas this hydrogen is secondary hydrogen, right? So it has got secondary and tertiary hydrogen, so B is also not the option. Talking about A, C, this is methyl, this is methyl, this is methyl, this is methyl, this is methyl. A simple line also tells that it is methyl only, right? And this since carbon valence is 4, here no hydrogens, so all these are methyl, so the hydrogens are what? Primary hydrogens only. So option A is the correct option. I hope you got it. If you are not clear, let me draw the structure of trimethyl butane, then you can again see. This is butane means 4 carbons, 1 2 3 4, right? Let me explain like this. CH3, this I can write as CH3, and here it will be CH3 and CH3, here also CH3 and CH3, right? So numbering is 1 2 3 4, 2 2 3 3 trimethyl, it is butane, right? If you see, all carbons are, see, this hydrogen attached to carbon which is attached to only one carbon, this hydrogen attached to carbon which is attached to only one other carbon, hydrogen attached to carbon which is attached to only one carbon. So all these are primary hydrogens only, primary hydrogens. Here no hydrogens because valence is 4, right? So this is the option. A is the option. I hope this video has helped you to understand what is primary hydrogen. But the important of this question is you should know hydrogen deficiency index, because in JEE lot more questions will be asked on this hydrogen deficiency index. So many questions, isomers, diastereomers, so many things they will cover in this topic, right? So you should go through that. Thank you.